Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My names are Dr Mwaniki. I'm a medical doctor, a public health specialist, and I'm also a reverend in the Anglican Church. And in this video, I want to showcase the work that I have done for the last 22 years, developing a medicinal plant that has got the potential to alleviate poverty, prevent diseases, and promote people's health. And this plant is none other than safflower. This is a safflower that has been developed in Botswana, and it's been the work done to corroborate what other scientists have done in other countries. So this is a variety that I have developed, and it's called the Safflower Kiama variety. Kiama is my name. And this plant, what you are seeing now is a project in Moro. It is a project that we intend to take to 50 African countries by the year 2050, at least 10,000 hectares per country. And already we've got a footprint in Botswana, in Kenya, in Tanzania, in Zambia, and also in Namibia. It's a high value crop. It's a crop that will not get damaged by animals at this stage. It is a crop that will give you high value cooking oil, high value herbal tea, and a vegetable. And this is a vegetable that has been assessed by the Botswana National Food Laboratory. It has got 39.2% protein. It's got the B vitamins that are not present in all the other traditional vegetables like cabbage, rape, spinach. So I want to demonstrate how we plant these seeds. We sow them liberally, so that we are able now to harvest the vegetables when they reach this stage. These vegetables, they can be sold as fresh vegetables, or they can be dried, which is my preferred method. I'm going to dry this using the solar energy and make a powder out of this vegetable. So after removing the vegetables, I will be left with the correct spacing for the seeds to mature, for the plants to mature to produce the seeds that I am looking for and the cut flowers. And this is a spacing that we have left here between plants is 25 to 30 centimeters between plants, and we've got 40 centimeters between rows. So after this stage, we are going to wait for these plants to grow. When they reach 90 days, they'll start flowering. And after flowering, now we can harvest those flowers to get the herbal tea. After harvesting the flowers, we let it mature, and then we do harvest the seeds. So after threshing the seeds, all the biomass that we are going to get out of this whole area, we are going to pound it to make animal feed. So this is the crop that should be grown in every village, in every country for poverty alleviation. For the fresh vegetable market, this is the research we have done so far. What we do after you uproot, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to 12 of these plants. So if you are growing this vegetable for the fresh vegetable market, a bunch like this would fetch you like 5 pula. That's about 50 Kenya shillings or half a US dollar. You can imagine how much you can harvest from 1 hectare. That's a whole lot of money. So you can just live off safflower, just vegetables alone. Forget about the seeds and about the fodder, about anything else. So this is the beauty of these safflower plants. Basically, when you get the vegetables from uprooting, from the thinning process, the next process is called derooting. You remove the roots. by just putting together, you wash. The next thing is spreading them inside this solar dehydrator. Inside this dehydrator, we have shelves. It's actually very hot. It's now almost 60 degrees centigrade. And after washing, it's just spreading these vegetables on these shelves. And in 3 days' time, these vegetables will dry, just like we had done here. We had spread the vegetables here. They have dried. And now we have the dry vegetable down here, which is now ready for pounding into the protein vitamin powder. And we can also dry other things like these bananas you see here. In just 2 days, they'll be dry enough. So this is the design of a solar dehydrator, designed with ideas from the University of Purdue. We can dehydrate tons and tons of this vegetable powder in this structure. Nelson Kiama Mwaniki reporting for Modern Occupational Health, St. Lani, Gaborone, Botswana.